Hello, puzzlers! Welcome back to Garb Studio. Emoji Beverage Challenge. Guess the drink by emoji. Hit play and test your knowledge. Let's see how many drinks you can guess. Number 1. Can you guess the drink?
Chocolate milkshake.
Number 2. What is your guess here?
Lemonade.
Number 3. Let's see if you can guess the drink.
7-Up.
Number 4. Name this drink.
Red Bull.
Number 5. Check this one.
Fanta.
Number 6. Okay, name this one.
Beer.
Number 7. Do you know this one?
Dr. Pepper.
Number 8. This one is too easy to guess.
Hot chocolate.
Number 9. Guess this one.
Monster Energy.
Number 10. Can you name this drink?
Coca-Cola.
Number 11. I think I know this one.
Sprite.
Number 12. Can you guess the drink?
Black tea.
Number 13. What is your guess here?
Sunkissed.
Number 14. Do you know this one?
Lipton.
Number 15. This one is too easy to guess.
Pepsi.
Number 16. Can you guess this drink?
Tropicana.
Number 17. Can you name this drink?
Cocktail.
Number 18. This one is easy.
Coconut water.
Number 19. Can you guess this one?
Sparkling water.
Number 20. This is easy.
Minute Maid.
Number 21. Can you guess the name of the drink from these emojis?
Iced tea.
Number 22. What is your guess here?
Oat milk.
Number 23. This one is too easy to guess.
Mountain Dew.
Number 24. Do you know this one?
Iced coffee.
Number 25. Take a look at this emoji and you name the drink.
Cappuccino.
Did you complete the quiz? Let us know how many drinks you guessed correctly in the comments. If you loved this refreshing quiz, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun challenges. Cheers to a great game!